Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial with GretaWings. Today I want to teach you how to make the shoes for our cookies Greta. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet, in the description below you can find the playlist to make everything about our cookies Greta, because we already made the base body, the turban, the dress, and today I will teach you how to make the shoes. And of course we will continue making more accessories for this amigurumi. Then I hope you like it and you want to do it, or you want to continue with the shoes. Then let's use lilac color yarn, or depend of the color that you select for your amigurumi for the outfits. I'm using that colors. Then let's make the shoes with lilac. This yarn is Symphonia Brain yarn and it's the same yarn that I'm used for all the project. Then 2.5 millimeters hook, scissor, and wool needle. That's it. Is everything that you need for these shoes. Then let's start. Starting with a magic ring on round 1 and 8 single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you can close the magic ring, put some mark if you think that is necessary. We will work in a spiral. I will not put the mark. I think it's not necessary, but it's up to you. Then on round 2, working in a spiral, let's repeat 4 times 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch 1 increase. 3 times more, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. This is the second repetition. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, the third one, and one more time 1 single crochet and 1 increase. You can see that at the same time I'm hide the thread from the beginning. Then now you can cut it, and that's it. On round 3, let's repeat 2 times 5 single crochet and 1 increase. Just 2 times. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and now 1 increase. One more time, 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 1 increase. Then we already finished that round with 14 stitches. Then on rounds 4 and 5, let's make 14 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Round 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Round 6, starting with 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4 chains, 2, 3 and 4. Skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the next one 5 single crochet more. Start 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Round 7, 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on the first chain. Then 2 increase, 1 single crochet and 1 more in the same base will be the first increase, 1 more, second increase, and for the end 6 single crochet more, starting on the last chain that you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn to make a perfect close now using a wool needle. Just put a wool needle, skip 1 stitch, and in the next one insert the hook like this, and again on the center of the last single crochet. Put it to the back, secure and hide it. Just hide it and these shoes will be ready. And remember, you need to repeat exactly the same 1 more time and you will have 2 equal shoes. Then I'm already finished both. Then let's put the shoes to our Cuqui Sophia. Her name is Sophia, the Cuqui Sophia, and I hope and you really like this project because we will continue making more outfits for this doll and you can make everything. Then if you like this video, don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. I'm really appreciated and that support this wonderful project. Then thanks a million for watching this video to the end and see you on the next video tutorial. Bye!